Which two individuals?
Waiswa and Bobby Young. Is it Bobby Giant, I mean?
Bobby Giant.
Yes.
What about the others that had gone missing? The others have gone missing.
Who? Please give names.
Do you know about the case of Bobby Young?
He hasn't even appeared in court?
Yes, but that is after, before he had been
Excuse
missing.
me. You see, once somebody has already been established where he is, why does it become a subject of discussion again?
Doesn't it worry you that people go missing and then even after
they are not missing,
even after they appear in court,
they are not missing, no?
That their relatives, their lawyers, their doctors are unable to establish in the first 2, 3, 4, 5 days before they appear in court.
Canary, could I remind you, once somebody has been arraigned in a civil court, it's done by the police of Uganda or Uganda Police Force, not the UPDF. And so you can't make me Director of Information in Defense to discuss people that have been arraigned in court by the police force.
You don't think disappearances or abductions are a thing in Uganda?
There are no abductions that are done by the state. The state arrests doesn't abduct.
So maybe you want us to discuss the manner of arrest?
Really?
Because what are
I insist, Mr. Mugisha, Mugume, I would discuss election security. That's what I came to discuss. I have no business discussing individuals that are already in a court arraigned by the police.
Doesn't
matters of arrest, methodology of arrest, please discuss with the police spokesman.
No, I'm saying that it should bother you that men appear without uniform with private number plate vehicles.
No, it can't bother me because there are these several methods of arrest that I know of. And two, Uganda is not the only country that has done that. Even though democracies, people can arrest when they are in ordinary clothes. So that shouldn't be worrying us. It would have worried me if people indeed disappeared. There, it's a matter of concern. But once their address has been established, or their whereabouts, and they are in hands of government agencies, we rest.
Despite the fact that their whereabouts are known even beyond just 48 hours. I mean, custody for 48 hours, that should be okay because it's within the law.
Ideally, should be 48 hours.
So what goes wrong? What happens when they're arrested beyond 48 hours?
We don't live in an ideal world, do we?
No, we don't.
Exactly.
So what is UPDF's official response on the allegations of abductions?
But why should I respond to what we would not do? Why should I respond to hot air? We all know who appeared or who brought Bobby Giant. We know who arrested Waiswa. So why should I discuss this matter? Why should I respond to what I am not responsible for?
Sometimes when people go missing, it's police that says we're not aware, and then you go to the UPDF says is not aware, and all of a sudden we hear now that they are in unidentified custody.
Canary, have I never gone on record to say that one is with us? Have I never?
You've ever?
Exactly. You see, the Swahili say, mwenye mkunda na kuambia nimenyampa, wewe unakataa. That the owner of the buttock says you have gas and for you to refuse. So I don't understand you. But on a serious note, anybody that finds himself in the hands of government agencies has not been abducted. It's methodology of arrest that it differs. Number one. Number two, again, this is diverting me, but methodology will depend on one, circumstances, two, the individual suspect. Those, if I may just hint on that a bit. And like I said, your producer told me we are coming to discuss the role of UPDF in elections. So,
and we're getting there because this is happening in the political system.
For you are taking me into discussing the individuals.
It's honestly
that
only
are in the
fair.
hands of the Uganda Police Force.
It's honestly only fair that I ask these questions because this is a political system that
it's
we're
fair.
in. Politically charged.
It's fair, but you're asking the wrong person. Or I have no right to say that's not for me. I should be bandwagoned.
But it's important that we ask now, because the arrests
I agree
are targeting opposition supporters and players.
No.